Yun. Bili kami ng noodles. Express Pass. Ano? Dalaram. Soju.
Oh my.
Okay.
Bigyan mo sa is na kwek.
Sir, sardine. Ah, yes, alright.
Nag-start siya sa mag-asawa namin, di ba? Kasi yung points mo, halimbawa yung nanay ng ano, yung daw pwede yun. Kasi hindi, okay lang yun. Kung totoong ikaw ang tawag sa customer, hindi mo parang nagbayad ka lang.
Yun ang mismo yung time. There you guys. Pinaka-sentro yata. Ay, galing. Yan yung gas. Sa pinakataas. Alam ko dala ko eh. Dito yung mga bata sa donut shop. It's done? Nag-ride ka dyan? Nag-ride ka yan?
Right? Yeah.
Ah.
It's fake.
Doon tayo sa...
Mamaya, selfie na tayo
Selfie.
mamaya. Kayo?
Okay, selfie. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Social tayo.
Whoop, got it.
Sorry.
Ang 100 is green.
Hindi, pero
Hindi lang kayo dito. Sabi siya.
Saka tayo mga bata. Dollarama.
Well, now it's livable.
May mga bus nila. Nakakabit sa electric bus.
Yeah, Angel of Victory.
Angel of Victory. Dry bar. Hi, Joe. Yeah? Yeah, a little bit. Si Kuya Ace mo ang ano, tuma pa rin. Nag-bike kayo?
No,
Why?
I think later.
Oo. This one, I like it better here pag
Yeah,
ganito.
because you could walk. It's
Walk.
like Japan.
Oh yeah, I know.
Dad, we saw Jollibee here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's go!
You guys eat already?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Did you eat?
We have McDonald's.
Oh. No, McDonald's. Kill you. A&W. Saan tayo punta?
We're gonna go to like an outlet.
Ha?
An outlet.
Outlet mall?
Yeah.
Shopping?
Yeah.
Ah. Money.
What is
Punta raw kami sa outlet. Sabi ko, punta tayo outlet.
the one in the orange suit?
Oh, what the?
Yeah. Enemies of the state.
And it's because they push the sugar. I heard about that. Yeah.
Good red bike eh. Mga bata. Canada place.
Water?
The water, I got the water.
Oh,
Broke it.
I don't know.
Oh my man.
Oh, it's Angel namin.
Bro. Why are you pulling this from you?
It's from Italy.
Oh, shoot.
Sorry. It was right here. Like.
Why are you pulling this from
Oh, don't blame me. You're broken.
Gel. Gel. Kada police. That's it. Yung mga bata. Lakad mo tayo.
On a passé tout à l'heure.
This one's good view. Nice view. Thank you.
Yeah, still moving.
Oh, picture. Ali. Po kayo. Kaya na, Joan. Okay, one. Ayaw na. Ali. $8,000 million. 800 million. Is this the outlet mall?
No.
Yeah, that's it. May kumakanta rito mag-isa kanina pa.
Don't show up, don't come around, don't come carrying up, tell me now, tell me now. Oh, oh, I'm not where you left me at all.
I need to buy my birthday liquor. Look. Huh? Yeah. I don't wanna go. It's outside. Mom spent a lot already. 1,300 for Ace.
Oh, crazy. Oh, no, that's not bad.
No.
No, that's not bad.
Oh nga eh.
For like,
Never seen one tayo sa a liquor store.
no, I didn't. We
Yeah.
didn't see any. And it was raining when we walked back home.
Ah.
Yeah, we were running.
We took the bus.
There's on our what do you call that Asian store? It's like no, it's not.
No, dude, they can't sell alcohol in stores unless it's a liquor store.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. They
Oh.
don't have it at Walmart.
Poke bar. Poke bar, poke bar. Naghanap ng restroom si Kiana. Sabay na rin tayo. Kind of the place. Got souvenirs here. No. Wait ko kayo dito sa labas. I don't have signal. You take a picture na kasi wala akong signal. Kiana, dito lang ako ha. Dito na sila kaya na.
How you liking the view? Oh, it's for 2 hours.
We can ride bikes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
Look at Tyson.
Tayo sa dyan.
Everyone was like, is he?
Shoot. What are we headed to?
Earthia.
Oh.
And then, but I still
Oh, nice flowers. See? Oh, beautiful. Huh? Yeah. Oh,
Seems like coming home, my body's been a mess, but I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. So
I like him.
There you go. Horn, not horny. Horby smoke. Ito, it's horny.
No, 45.
Oh, apparently I can see there's lottery here.
Oh, yeah? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
Patay siya.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
My dad ate this last night. Sad.
Nice. Wow.
Pinawisan na yung kalbo ko. Kakalakad, pinawisan na. Ang aking calves. Pawis. Pizza!
I like beer.
Good cardio exercise.